if you're a beginner and you're trying to lose weight, this is a good plan that you can follow. And there's only two things that you have to do. Thing number one is you're gonna do some cardio. And then thing number two is gonna be we're following a meal plan. Now I'm gonna break it down so that it's really easy for you guys to like understand it. But it's cardio and meal plan. That's the only two things I want us to start with. Now, before we even get into it, a really good habit to have is having a scale and weighing yourself every morning, right? Now, the reason why I recommend weighing yourself every morning is because when you follow this meal plan and the cardio routine we're about to write out, when you start seeing that you're losing weight as fast as you are, it just does something to you mentally where it keeps you super motivated. So that's thing number one, get yourself a scale so you can weigh yourself every morning. Now, if you are weighing yourself every morning, the scale is going to fluctuate. So if you do see the scale stay stuck or if it goes up, whatever, like, don't let that discourage you and do not let that stop you. This happens to all of my clients at some point or another where they're losing weight, they hit a little plateau, and then I tell them, hey, just stay consistent. They stay consistent, and then in a few days, they see a huge drop, and it always happens. So never let the scale like mess you up, but I want you to use it for motivation. If you weigh yourself every day, you're actually going to be able to see your progress quicker. All right, so look, let's get into the cardio. Thing number one, if you're trying to lose weight quickly, is I want you to do 60 minutes of physical activity every day, or you could say 60 minutes of cardio a day. Right now, when I say 60 minutes of cardio, let me give you some examples. That could be walking. You could walk outside for 60 minutes a day, right? You could do a 30-minute walk in the morning. Then you can do a 30-minute walk in the evening. You can do a 30-minute jog in the morning and then do a 30-minute walk in the evening. My mother likes to garden for 60 minutes a day, right? Like some people like to box for 60 minutes a day. Some people you can do anything that's physically active for 60 minutes a day. If you're a beginner, I recommend that you do a 60-minute walk a day. That's real easy for you to get started with. I want you to do two things. I want you to write down right now what you're going to be doing for your 60 minutes of physical activity a day. Like, what are you going to be doing for it? And then I want you to write down what time you're going to do it. See, now we're going to make it a routine. Let me give you an example. When I first started losing weight, I wrote down that I would do a jog every morning and a jog every evening, but I had to like write it down and put it into part of my routine. So my routine was I wake up, put on my gym clothes, and then I go jog. I did that every morning at 9 a.m. And then at 9 p.m., I would do another jog. So I want you to actually know what you're gonna do and what time you're gonna do it. Number two, now the second thing is the meal plan. Like, what are you gonna be eating in a day? So now let's come up with an easy meal plan that's gonna help you start losing weight. So number one, you can decide, do you wanna eat 2 meals a day or do you wanna eat 3 meals a day? So some people like to do breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Some people just like to do lunch and dinner, but pick one, whichever one is going to work for you. And you can always change it if you need to adjust it in the future, but pick one for now. Let's say we're doing 3 meals a day, or it doesn't matter, 2 or 3 meals a day. Now, what I want you to do is we're actually going to build out what those meals are going to be. Now, whenever you're trying to lose weight, I want you to remember this. When you're making a meal, that meal needs to be protein and vegetables. If you could just stick to that, you're going to lose weight. That's like the number one priority thing. Every meal should be a protein source and some veggies. That makes fat loss so easy. If you do that alone, you're gonna lose weight. Now, when I say protein, these are some examples of protein. Eggs, egg whites, chicken breasts, chicken thighs, steak, ground beef, tilapia, ground turkey, salmon, shrimp, lobster. These are all different protein sources. If you're a vegan or a vegetarian, you can do tofu, you can do seitan. These are all different protein sources. Now, vegetables, are like broccoli, carrots. It could be a salad with some fat-free dressing. What we gonna eat for lunch? Pick a protein and some veggies. What are you gonna eat for breakfast? Pick a protein and some veggies. What are you gonna eat for dinner? Pick a protein and some veggies. So I want you to write down your meal plan now. Write down what you're gonna eat for breakfast. Write down what you're going to eat for lunch. Write down what you're going to eat for dinner. When it comes to carbs, you might be wondering, if you're going to add carbs to your meal, you add carbs to just 1 meal a day and add a small serving of carbs. So if you like rice or you like bread or you like pasta, do a small serving of it. So that might be 1 slice of toast with your eggs for breakfast. Or you might do a half a cup of cooked rice with your chicken thighs and asparagus for lunch. But do the carbs 1 meal a day and do a small serving of it. If you follow these rules, you're going to be losing weight quickly. Now, when it comes to you making your food, right, make sure you're not eating any fried food. Like, yeah, you might be doing chicken and broccoli, but if it's fried chicken, that's super high calorie. Don't do that. And then also, do not add a lot of oil or a lot of butter to your food. That could ruin it. A meal could be perfect, but you add a lot of oil and butter and you just ruined it because you added 700 calories to it. So if you are gonna add oil and butter, you gotta use portion control, right? Just a little bit of it. Actually measure out how much you're adding to it. But I recommend most people just stay away from it, especially if you're a beginner just getting into this. Let's move on to the snacks. If you want a snack, you want something sweet, you can have fruit, right? A small serving of fruit, you'll be fine. You do an apple, an orange, a banana. You do that, you're gonna be A-okay. Now, write down what you're eating for breakfast, what you're eating for lunch, what you're eating for dinner, and what your snack is gonna be. And if you just stick to that plan, you're gonna be good. Like, you're gonna be losing weight. And remember, we're weighing ourselves every morning. Every week, you should see that you're dropping weight. You could, if you follow this, you could realistically be dropping 3 to 4 pounds a week. Imagine what's gonna happen 3 months from now. You could be down 30, 35 pounds. Imagine 6 months from now, you'll look like a completely different person. This is the simple game plan to help you lose weight quick. Very beginner friendly. Now, a few tips to help you make this stick. Number one, throw away the junk food. If you got temptation, get rid of it. Got cookies and chips that you can't stay away from, just don't buy anymore and throw it away so it can't tempt you. Then number two, if you are struggling with, like, if you ever feel like you're gonna struggle to stick to your meal plan, just eat the food that's in your meal plan. Right now, you might be, like, when you're hungry, you might be craving something. But after you eat that food that's in your meal plan and you're no longer hungry, like, the temptation goes away. So throw away the junk food and just stick to the food that's in your meal plan. It's a temporary sacrifice so we can lose this weight. And the longer you do it, the easier it gets. So this is the same exact process that I went through, and I lost 100 pounds in 6 months. The same exact process. I wrote down, I'm gonna do some cardio in the morning. I'm gonna do some cardio at night. For lunch, I'm gonna eat chicken breast and lettuce. For dinner, I eat chicken breast and lettuce. And as a snack, I had some grapes. And I did that every single day, dropped 100 pounds in 6 months. So this process works, write it down. And I was weighing myself every day, so it kept me motivated. Now, look, if you're here and you want me to put together a plan for you to help you lose weight, and if you need help staying consistent, which is really the hard part, you want coaching to help you through that, then put the word coach in the comment section